right, hello. It's been a while since I recorded myself doing my reviews, and I figured, hey, I've got plenty of time on my hands now, I've been slacking off. I've got a ton of reviews piled up here in my KameSame queue. You can see here I'm at level 44. I've been averaging, 300 XP a day. Let's see, I've got 204 reviews piled up. Let's just go through them as fast as possible. I do mostly vocab study. I don't have very many kanji in my queue. And I want to show just what it's like doing a bunch of reviews if you're me, because one thing I found is that different people study differently. I try to go as fast as I can. So let's say Q-te might be a way to say court. I'm looking for the kanji te there. I did happen to get kanji first, but since it's already switched to vocab recognition, I know that I've done all my kanji now. Asen. This is a word that translates in Japanese English dictionaries as kind offices. Like good graces of, I guess. It might be British English. Okay. Scoundrel. Kakubetsu. Especially? Or particular? Tairitsu. Confrontation. The swipe keyboard here is really nice. Tazuneru, to inquire. Kind of goofed that up. To inquire. Yokemono. This is great. This is like a third wheel. This is Shutoken, like Tokyo Metro. Iki nobiru, to survive. Somen kabocha. This is like spaghetti squash. Funny that it's not a katakana word because there's a separate, different squash that serves the same purpose as being like somen, noodles. All right, suishin. This is like promotion or advancement, like a program, like a government program. Tozen, obvious. Migoto, it's like great job, wonderful work, fascinating thing. Eigoken, the English-speaking world, very literal. English-speaking world. Hikikomori, this is a shut-in, somebody who lives by themselves in their house and they don't leave. Shutoku, acquisition. Habakaru, this is, I just added this one, and the kanji, it looks like that. I'm gonna mark failed. To have scruples, to be afraid of what others might think, to hesitate. That's a very on-brand word for me. Presentation, teishitsu. Kanchigai, like a misunderstanding or wrong answer. Consento, this is a Japanese word for power outlet. No idea the etymology of that one. To hesitate, I'll say. Okay, Torimotome, collection. Nino, appointment, like to a job or office. Kagari, limit. Hiyoke, this is like a shade, like when you might put up on the side of a house or like an awning. Handan kijun, this is like evaluation criteria, like for when to reopen Osaka or Tokyo. Okay. Hiohite shiritsubome, which means to squeeze your ass after farting, like the horses left the stable, equivalent idiom. Horses, maybe I wrote a translation for this. Left the stable. Yeah, I did. This is Mishu, crowding. Shinki, new. Yojo. Demand? Okay. Dokuji, like a unique characteristic. Tsujo, ordinary. This is means dirt. Fuck. So here I swiped, but I didn't. I clicked too fast. So I'm going to use one of my 3 undo credits to not count that, and I'll see it again in a second. Stubborn, ganko, emergency or urgent, kinkyu. I said kinkyu, but is it actually QQ? No, it's kinkyu. Okay, so this is DIRT, dirt. Kakusha, each company, or all companies, depending. Geijun, end of month, last 10 days of the month usually. Hanmyo, this is a Japanese tiger beetle. We're covering all kinds of ground today. Heiki, this can mean a lot of things, but in colloquial Japanese, it usually just means all right or that's okay. Nantoka, something. Gosan, this is a miscalculation. Konnan, this is like a difficulty or a trouble, challenge. Sote, like an assumption. Oyoso, about, approximate. So 98%, not bad. Rinji, temporary. Now we got shoshinsha, beginner, like a newbie. Content, point of view. Typing, okay. Kokusai ka, this is a funny word, so to make international. So internationalization, that's quite a swipe. Jubun, enough, sufficient. Ippuku, this is slang for like a puff or a smoke. Smoke. Abara uri, selling oil, literally, but it means lazy, a lazy person. Chukan, midway. Kento, like an investigation or assessment. Which one? I wonder if they'll both count. Okay. Kakureya, this is like a hideout. Kanden, like related to something. Kaiten, opening a store for the day. Gekizo, sharp increase. Kannetsujoki, superheated steam. Like steam oven. Daikin, payment, remuneration, reimbursement. Manen, this is like a spread of a disease. Kotowaza, this is a proverb. There we go, proverb. Oh boy. Nikumare koyo ni habakaru. I forget entirely what this one means. This is another expression that I added. Oh yeah, so hated people live longer. Sangyo, industry. Organization, dantai. Oh, screw that up. There we go, organization. Various, show. Good grief, I'm real bad at swipe and talking simultaneously. Various. Tsuchi, notification, like a phone's notifications. Mitake, length, like length of a shirt or length of a torso. Chii, this is like social standing. All right, jitai, situation, in a formal sense, like state of affairs for like the government or something. Neppu, this is convection, right? Superheated steam. All right. Saisan, profit. No. Seisan. Exact calculation. Ah, like settling a bill. Yep, just wrong. Okay, settle a bill, like at a bar. Okay, so now so that was one kanji production, 69 Japanese recognition, vocab recognition, and now I've got vocab production, which is probably like 134 of those. I don't know that I'm going to make through all of these right now, but we'll do some. So misunderstanding, kanchigai, passing an exam. Lots of words for this. I'll say gokaku. Oh, nope, that's not what we're looking for. Passing an exam. So I'm gonna tap the blurred element here to see what the real word is. Ah, kyudai. I always forget this one. I don't want to mark this right. I'm gonna just mark it failed, and then come back to it. Obvious toes and okay, so that was also needed, but it wasn't the one it was looking for. It was looking for a different one. Trying to think of what other words for obvious. I'm gonna guess that it's looking for meihaku. Yep. Okay, promotion. Suishin. Local government. Chi Tai. Torso. Title. Right? That's gotta be wrong. It's not that. It's do tai. Do tai. Still, I didn't remember that reflexively, so I'm going to mark it failed. Okay, appointment. Niño, I know the one that it's looking for. Obviously, lots of different things that can mean. Employment as a synonym. Syndrome. Oh boy, I was just looking at this one yesterday. Shokogu. Shokogu. Hiding place. Kakureya. It's not the ya that it's probably wanting. Make sure that spelling's in there though. So I'm going to go back, make sure that the spelling that I want counts. Working into the word. Kakureya. Kakure. Yeah, it's not. So I'm going to add that spelling so it doesn't get marked wrong later, because apparently it's common enough that that was the default for the iOS IME. Okay, so that'll be marked correct in the future. I also know that it's probably looking for oyoso. Approximate, rough. Okay. Isolation. Lots of words for this. Cut off. Blockade. Boy, I don't know which one it's looking for though. I don't even have a clue. Kakuri. Nope. Ah, shoot. Shadan. This is another word that I totally would not remember. I'll mark it wrong. Still. Still isn't not moving as yet. No idea. Yo. No. That means extension or delay. Izen. Yeah, I was kind of wondering if that's what it was going to be. Oh well. All right, so now I remember your dotai, but I'm still going to get it marked wrong, so I'll see it more soon. Okay, so this is advanced arrangements. So Uchiya Owase, I want to say. Cool. A word for new that's in my hopper is Shinki dictionary. Several words for this. Start with the easy one, Jisho. Nope, it's probably looking for G10 then. Ah, no, it's looking for Jihiki. Ah, it's Jibiki. And I always forget the spelling of that one, so mark that wrong. I just saw this one too. Shadan. Shadan. Sha means to interrupt. Shadan. There we go. Isolation. Study of etymology. Gogen Gaku. Gengo is language. Gogen is the origin of language. Easy to get those mixed up. Tazuneru. Straight ball. Chokyu, one would think. Chokyu. Kyu. How about that? Obvious. Meihaku. Meihaku. I already got the other one. All right, so this is Jibiki. Gets rendaku'd. Jibiki. Unusual word. Sneakily. Koso. Nice. Just barely. Giri. We're in the fun section now. Cool. Hygiene. Wayayay. Ese? Cool. Joining up. Oh, that was a burn too. Nice. Kanyu. To join a club or something. Nuance is probably katakana. Nuance. Hell yeah. Nursemaid. Whew. Nursemaid. Something mamoru. Like using that expression. Komori, right. Komori. Convenient. Obviously I like Benri, but I think I've been studying recently. Tsugo no yoi? Cool. Accompaniment. Tomonai? Cool. Koto waza. Proverb. To hesitate. Habakaru. Wait, wrong kanji. Habakaru. So habakuru? Let's see what. Oh no, that was right. It just must be an unusual verb. The following. Yeah, like the following terms below. So, kaki. You see below and term. Cool. Komori is apparently what that is. That was probably a burn attempt. Yeah. Overtime pay. We'll just go to 100 and then I'll call it a day. Overtime pay. Zangyodai de shou. Zangyodai. That's not Sabisu Zangyo. That's real Zangyo. Embassy. Taishikan. Hey, okay, so that was 100 reviews. See how long that took us. That was in 17 minutes, so about 10 seconds per item, which is, not super bad, not great. But yeah, that's a little bit about how I study. So, if you use KameSame or if you don't, hope you have a great day. And if you've got any questions or anything, feel free to hit me up. I'd love to answer them. All right, take care.